In Fusion, you can turn any class or learning space or school area into a website. I'm going to show you how to create a learning space website. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new learning space. Give it a name. And I want to tell the system that this is a website. So I go into Advanced Options, and under Group Portal, we don't want users to go to files when they click on this. We want them to go to a website. So we change it to Group Website. Go to the bottom and continue. And while I'm building this website, I don't want any other users to see it, so I'm not going to add users at this stage. So now I'll go back to the Learning Space front page. And you can see here's my new learning space, and you can see that it's a website. To edit this website, I go to the three-dot group menu and I manage the website. So I'm now in the website builder, and there are two main areas. You've got content, where you have all your pages, and you have appearance, where you change the look and feel of your website. So let's start by just creating a single page, the home page of my website. So in the Content tab, I click to add a page, and we'll call it Home. Because it's the home page, I'm going to set it as the home page. This means that when you click to open this website, this is the page it will always go to first. Then say Continue. So here's my page, and let's add a second page. Again, just give it a name and say Continue. And now you can see I have two pages on my website. So let's go to the home page to add some text and content. Click on Content. I've added a heading and a bit of plain text. I'm just going to assign a title style to the heading. If you add a header style to text, every page in the website will have the same style without you having to change the size and color and font. On any page of the website, you can add pictures, hyperlinks, you can embed videos, you can even attach other files, or add any from a whole range of gadgets that can be embedded on the page. For this, I'm just going to add a simple image on the next line. Just choose an image. You can choose from the normal quality or the original quality that you downloaded, and then say Continue. So let's save this page, and I can either save and view the page, or I can save and exit and go back to my website builder menu. I'm going to save and view and see how it looks so far. So you can see that this is a very simple grey and white website with a grey header and the text and image that I added. I also have the second page here, which I can click on, and you can see there's no content. So let's go back to the website builder by clicking here. If I wanted to go back and re-edit this page, I would click here on the pencil, but I'm going back to the website builder, and I'm going to change the appearance of the website. So I click on the Appearance tab, and the first thing I'm going to look at is the background of the website. This is the area around the edges, and it's called the canvas. Now I've got two choices. I can either apply a background color of your choice, which is fine, or you can choose an image for the background. You can either pick one that's already uploaded onto the VLE, or you can upload an image file from your computer. I'm just going to pick one from the VLE. So I have a background image here which I can use, and you can see that's applied that to the background of my website. Once you've made a change in the appearance, you save changes. So let's go and view our site for real. Here it is, and you can see that that background image has been applied. The next thing I want to think about is this menu bar at the top. I want to change that colour from grey to something a bit more colourful. So I go to the top menu and change the background colour. I'm going to choose a nice bright orange sort of colour, like that, and save changes. Now let's go and view our site. And you can see I've got a very bright orange bar at the top. It's probably a bit too light. I might want to darken that down a bit, but you can see how that works. Then looking at this, I think I want to change the colour of the footer. Now I could leave the footer with a dark colour and white text, or I can change it to a light colour, or even change it to white so that you can't see that it's a separate footer. To change the footer, click here, change the background colour. So let's say I went for a very light blue shade. You can see here that the text has almost disappeared, so I need to now make the text dark to be seen. And there you go. And save changes. So you can see that you just keep building the colour. If you're happy with the colours and the layout and appearance that you have, simply go back to the website builder, go to content and continue adding your pages. If you want to add content into the footer bar, you edit it here. And if you want to assign somebody in your group to be an editor of the website, you can add them here by clicking on Editors, choosing perhaps a student from your group and adding them to be an editor. To remove them, you just click the person and remove them. So you can add a student to edit the website just during lesson time and take them off at the end of the lesson if you want. Once you've got your website, at any time if anyone goes to Learning Spaces, here's the website. Anyone who clicks on it, they'll go straight into the website and they'll be able to move between the pages. So that's how to create a website out of a group, a class, a learning space, or a school space on Fusion.